Alright, y'all, this is our training video for the Baroque Miniatures fourth movement, the Musette. Now, the Musette has two sharps in our key signature, okay, and we have staccato notes all the way through. Look at measure 3. 1 E N 2 N 1 E N 2 N bum 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 bum. We have that measure several times, like 3, 7, 23, and 27. Okay, so that rhythm keeps coming back with an up bowing, hooked bowing afterwards. Okay, so here we go. Not too fast. Get this under our fingers. 1 N 2 N. Now let me hit the pause button right there, because at 20, you notice we have a C. And normally we just go to open C. But an open C is a C natural. In our key signature, there's a C sharp. So at 20, we have to get that low one. Got to get that nice and crisp. Here we go. Let's try it at 19, and we'll work our way into 20. 1, 2, and 22,